Okay, we're going to work on these problems. I'm going to go over number 1 and number, I don't know, number 3. Yeah, I'll do those two. Y equals x squared. So let's start with that one. So we're going to start with y equals x squared. And for this one, we're going to do a table. Y equals x squared. This is x. And let's just do -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And you know what? Let's keep this in black here. So we're going to do, if x is -2, we're going to do -2 squared. That's 4, right? Because that's -2 times -2. Negative times negative is positive. You get 4. And -1 squared is -1 times -1, which is 1. 0 squared, that's 0. 1 squared, that's 1 times 1 is 1. 2 squared, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. And you should have seen this in the video. I'm going to do this in red so it's easy to see. We're going to start at 0, 0. There's my vertex. So there's my vertex. And then this is how we're going to move this one here, is how far we're moving up or down. This is up. And these are how going across. So the way we're going to look at it is like this. Over 1, up 1, and that gets you to your next point. And you do the same thing on the other side. Over 1, up 1, that gets you to your next point. And then the next one after that is over 2, up 4. And same on the other side. Over 2, up 4. And then you could do one more if you wanted to, because 3, 1, 2, over 3. 3 squared is 9. So that would be all the way up to 9. And then it's the same on the other side. I'm not going to count it. It's... Yep. Okay. And then we just draw our parabola. Start here. Hold it down. Notability should do it. Maybe my parabola is not nice enough. Oh my goodness, I can't get it. I don't know why I can't get it. There we go. So let's see if I can do it this way. I'm gonna just move this dot to there. And this dot to there. And this blue dot to there. There you go. Okay. And you can, oops, let me see, can we keep going? No. Let's just leave it like that. We should be able to keep going, but that's where it's going to stay. All right. So this is your main parabola here, okay? Now, let's do the next one. The next one here is x plus 3 squared minus 1. So my vertex, and I'm going to do it in red, is at negative 3, negative 1. So negative 3, negative 1, right there. And then I'm just going to follow the pattern. And I'm going to write it in words so that you can see it. So the pattern is going to be over 1, up 1. And then you put you put your point and you do it on both sides. And then the next one is over 2, up 4. And again, of course, you do it on both sides. Over 3, up 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And then over 4 and up 4 times 4 is 16. Okay? So let's do those. So that's how we're going to get those. So start here. From the vertex, over 1, up 1. And same thing on the other side. Over 2, up 4. Okay, notice I start at the vertex, and I'm not even paying attention to all the other numbers. I'm just counting spaces. And over 2, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then over 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the vertex, the axis of symmetry is right there. So that's going to be one. The same on this side as this and this side. But you can count either way you want to do it. Oh, we could do a lot more. Let's do over, let's just do this one. Let's just keep it like that. And then I don't know why it doesn't do it. But I can just do it over here and move it over. I would think that I could like move it like that. I don't know. Anyways, there it is. We should be able to continue this up like that. All right, so that's how you do those. Just find the vertex and then go over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4, over 3, up 9, over 4, up 16. Okay, so now that's how you do all of these here up to number 8. However, notice that this is a little bit different because we don't start with the parentheses, we're starting with the 2. When that happens, you're going to be stretching out your parabola. So this one here, so we're vertex, so let's write this down, 2, 2, and 3. Let's do this one next. I think that's what it was. Let's look. Yeah, all positive. I'm just going to move it down just a little bit. Okay, so my vertex, the opposite of plus 2 is negative 2. This, we don't do the opposite. So that stays 3. So our vertex is at negative 2, 3. So let's find it. Negative 2, and then negative 2, and then up 3. And normally what we do next is over 1, up 1, put a dot, over 2, up 4, put a dot. We're not going to do that. We're going to multiply that in the direction, the up direction, we're going to multiply by 2. So let's write it down. So normally it's over 1, up 1, and over 2, up 4, over 3. 3 times 3 is 9, up 9. Okay, because of this 2 here, we're going to multiply all of these ups by 2. So now we're going to go over 1 up 2, over 2 up 8, over 3 up 18. So over 1 up 2. So over 1, and it's not going to be 1. We doubled it. 1, 2. Over 2, and normally it's up 4, but we're doubling it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and we do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, or just count all the way up to 8. And if you draw the axis of symmetry, you don't have to do any more counting. You just mirror it over to the other side. What's the next one? Let's see. Oh, over 3 up 18. Let's see if we have enough. We might. Over 3. Instead of 9, we do 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And another 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Our axis of symmetry. So then we draw our parabola. Hey, it worked this time. I don't know. See if I can get it to line up okay. I don't know. I don't know if I can get it to line up okay. Oh my gosh, what a pain in the butt. I don't know. Okay, that's as close as it's going to get. There you go. So again, this number doubled our ups. So for this one here, I'm not going to draw the whole thing, but your vertex would be at positive 2, positive 2. So, and there's your vertex. And then this time it's tripled, your ups are tripled. So instead of, you had over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4, over 3, up 9. You're going to multiply those by 3. the ups by 3. So your new ups are 3, 12, and 27. I don't think we're going to get 27. So to get the next one here, you're going to go over 1, up 3. 1, 2, 3. Put your dot. Over 2, right? That's this one. 1, 2. And then up 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And do same thing on this side. There you go. Okay. Now, hey, what happened? This one here is going to be, now we have a negative here. So what do you think is going to happen? Pause the video or think of it, say it out loud. I don't know. But so first let's do our vertex. 2, negative 3. Okay. Now, before we multiplied this, remember we did, so we did over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4, over 3, up 9. And before we multiplied it, right, by 2. Like if you had a 2 here, you would multiply everything by 2. Or if you had a 3, you multiply all the ups by 3. Well, what's going to happen here, instead of going up, that's a positive, because it's negative, we're going to go down. Because it's negative. When you have a negative, you go down. So you're going to go over 1 instead of up. You go down 1. Over 2. And then instead of up 4, we're going to go down 4. And then over 3 and down 9. I'm not going to finish that. You can finish it. Make sure you draw it in. Make sure you do these on graph paper. I'm just kind of showing you a sketch, but I want you to do this on graph paper. Okay, again, let's do our vertex. 3, that's negative 3, negative 2. Now this one here, we have a negative. So what direction are we going to move in? Down. But we're also multiplying it by 2. So we have over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4, and then over 3, up 9. So we're not going to go up because we have a negative. We're going to go down. But that's not enough. We are also going to multiply everything by that 2. All the downs are going to be multiplied. So, what would that look like? So, -2, -3. Put our vertex down. And then over 1, down 2. Okay, over 1, down 2. And over 2, down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm not going to finish it. Make sure you do the ones on the other side. Don't forget. And draw your parabolas. Okay? But do them on graph paper, on the graph paper, okay? All right.